In this video, we're going to show you how you can go ahead and get iOS 26. If you're eager to try it out and test it out on an iPhone or an iPad, this guide is going to show you exactly how you can do it. The best part is you no longer need to pay the $99 a year developer fee. Apple now lets anyone install developer betas with a free Apple developer account. In this video, we're going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to install the iOS 26 developer beta very easily. Begin by signing up for a free Apple developer account. If you already have one, you can feel free to skip ahead, but to sign up, go ahead and open up Safari and go to developer.apple.com. Go ahead and go, and it's going to take you to a page that looks exactly like this. Scroll down a little bit on it, or just simply hit the menu icon in the top left corner and then tap Account. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. You will need to create your Apple ID and fill out this form. If it asks you to fill out this legal document, just simply go ahead and hit yes, and then agree, and then continue through this agreement. Once you go ahead and get logged into your account, you're going to want to go ahead and enable beta updates. Go ahead and back out and open up settings, and then find general, and then go to software update, just like so, and find beta updates, just like that. Go ahead and look for iOS 26 developer beta, and if you don't actually see this option right here, just wait a little bit and try again later. Just make sure the Apple ID that you used to sign up is showing on this screen. If not, go ahead and back out one more time and then hit Apple ID up at the very top and then select use a different account by signing out and signing into the right one. After that, you could force close the settings app, reopen it, go back to general, go back to software update, and you should see it in there ASAP. But yeah, you just need to go ahead and hit update now, and you're good to go. You've now just installed iOS 26 developer beta using a free account. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for even more tutorials like this. Have a good day.